and obi to say me metesa metesa enuma be ebu wo ankoma woni mi bedini e bia the details sa ye kase bibia sisia na me
count here.
I will not be able to tell exactly what you said, but okay na nyese na minti omitie in terms of ultimate training mind into bon say vocabs ni bi wo ho no kra last week ye famu e bia be say me kra na me refi but sesia de my imagine say me kai into every day no I repeat
okay
auntie enne mere say enra de no me kai kaya the following day na my carry forward
okay
sa na be come chim
right
into also say oh yes also was our problem not to say me try into enne usua wo ho and make sure you use it so we use here na be boa into mpacho yesua no mensua ne keke wo ho na de ba ko bia fam eno ase me koka ba ko no say what do you mean by that na me say yes what do you mean by on say that
producer
me no be din komo me ne phone so na me say why are you fabbing can you please explain what you mean by that? I'm like Sompa right Sompa
yeah now international woman
this thing came to mind. So sometimes I mean sometimes me get selective amnesia Nyoma bi go ho a wo kai ebi wo ho a wo kai nti wa sheda na you train yourself ebi wo ho na area but you train yourself say na wo can say obi ka bibi na say later wo say wo recount ya na wo kai ni me say wo ka bibi na say sheda nhia sa e fa so emu
na pie ha
nti en stay
eno kwa anya sa memory be ma nyoma bi say e ma memory ni e mantem
but e bibi e hu hia dia Ebeka. Nti obi wo hospital sheda selective amnesia. Nti no owo neo kai no neo kai. No so battle tactics na good. Nti no would say word na. Now wo ho na say repeat am. Now you see na. Nti endra na style. Anyway, now me say na word no. Eson. Eson. Eson but nchase no e sweet. Nti are you ready?
Yes, ready.
Therefore, enti ene word na ye de bremo no enu ni ye gbagbagba. Okay. Palcritudinous. Because I was saying no word next but a sweet meaning, so I will spell it. And then kind and as I spell you look for it and then you can read. So palcritudinous Palcritudinous. Good. Me sure say my baby what is that? Palcritudinous. Now you can read the meaning. What's very something that you should hear.
Wow.
My man kai and my man use my
palcritudinous.
Okay. Send my boss no.
Wait.
I say breathtakingly beautiful. Physically attractive. Or comely.
Okay.
Often used to describe people.
Okay.
Wow.
It originates from the Latin palca.
Okay, which is
that is beautiful. And is a sophisticated or humorous way to describe someone with striking, graceful appearance.
Not just a sound of funny.
Yes. So we catch up say, where there's some. But who you saw is sweet. Ain't you know, wife, ne wife fair. Palcritudinous.
I'm not here. Me tiawa. Me fia kwa kwa.
Hey, what do you say?
Sure, the wife.
Ye fia anhwe pa ya mpompo na me dia for me sentences here sending what's up.
A nice adverb to
word,
describe your woman.
Yeah.
But it didn't got to be describing them. Might be a man who pepper, you know.
Okay.
Uma me o papa, but I'm gonna call you.
How cretudinous.
Today I am looking at the palpitudinous lady across my console.
Yeah. Wow.
And her name is Auntie Debia.
Wow. Clack it.
And it's spelling no me patro say we nya yes I must be PULCHRITUDINOUS. Palpitudinous. And that's the word. It's awesome. And that's the word for today.
Yeah.
That's the word for today. Sompa delight. Sompa.
Delight. Unfun to and shout text them so. Now Radina coupon and fast sedia and show of room. A Radina Mama Sonia ding and snever tamfo. A Radina coupon to a namo and see a Radima what you jump him. A Radina coupon to Jota Fanco to the young day as if we are on wash Swadoko. Shout out to a bravo so. There's a pony count, no how mount to my die. Or pin the top and come or pin the top. Nifa ebi kanwote ode wani wana ade be hwe no wodi boye fo akatua awade ani mutie entonso awade nsira entonso awade abaso bo enye wabotire awade nya ucham awade nya okatabo awade nya utipejafo awade nya utemgyinafo awade nya owrachichefo pa ade bia wahwere awade mfantomo osumi wemu awade ma onsere wate awade ma wadansidie awade ma nipa hunu so no na aboa wa cheche owre Kristo Yesu dino Yaba Sompa.
You know how we do it on Fridays. Samame wati, samame, me show, samame. Asafu Yehowa ni Yehowampo. Mesi nyankrupo ni mbuafu kesiampa. Eh. Diasa kakra, diasa.
Sompa.
And I bet the assasa. Good afternoon. So nim Jumedie no eye Sompa delight. Frequency no amanfo anya ofie ha papa. Me can almost smile. Mejili sa wo ho ye pa baby a wo bia. Friday asanya to ye yo nyankropa daroma. Wakanya ka atiasefo ho nti ye dana se. I debi asane ameka ne se Friday du ne mpo eye bi na se wo kra po a emboto nya hwehye mu se nyankropa ne wo ho. Obeshawo Onyai we jeje mu She nyame done mano yi won fi won haw mu Eye freestyle Friday chia obibia wajibre na wie o tie Sompa delight. And nessa me kan say ye baby ra high school enuane na yem pese e be me se na kache. Me fa way to hands mama producer ni ati ajo abebu. Obini Tolibia now she say ye toli say ye right. I mean correct minimara. See. Ne class eben pantry. Omo kitchen area omo ye aduane ne class ben ho. Okay. Na sada no omo be ye omo favorite aduane em say red beans. Ene ye die sija ne so dada. Enti otine class ho a otu nani a ohu pantry ho. Ena ohu say beans ni si so. Na I was ready.
Oh, take class go be any of the concentration there na.
Oh, say business is so. Ena matrons ne ba ko de nchini kogu mu. O de nchini gugu di do. Enti onu not in the class aja. Or prepare say I don't know was ready. Or prepare say time you oh prepare say omu time be so no akwa di lunch I go back any doch school na kokko ye friend ni doch okay at what school me ye friend kokko doch nti na ko di red any doch na ye di nchine egu ade isu sija so we hu so obi dia begusu deda omu te hwa ogusu a ohwa na another person no onim oboru kitchen ho onu so di enti na osha na dia be say e no tie mu o class ho eh madam dey so
please I want to go because I didn't na kuma na ma ntini me twa mo be na ka twa ta ntini mo mi da
na chese I didn't say na in the first place I didn't the class ko be pantry and no kra me ntia but ane de yen fan to nche and chine na omo de kwa ko say ade na chese o be dining na onya feel no onya de bia ni ai e was all kana what to say
na wan ka wonye madam there's what to say
madam there's what to say already chese o dia say in class o and you say omuti class ko teacher our class na send your head direction na dia na ikono so wanka nchiro mo na
lunch ne be say
yes so beti because e ko twem na so mu decide say oh ene yen fe no nsi ncha na yen ne bibia je say ne quantity obenya na so beti nte wo so ka ai na wanka be den e na obusa mi wanka wo so be den wo be ka na obeja
who's that you know the question why Obeka and as Obejano guy no any team say on plan is or Obeka who sentient or Obeka
there be that
your friends reflex action
reflex action
on uncle who say maybe akuma wono
where your treasure is there your heart
no number 1 when you divided attention
sir
number 2 opia time na my time na contem mama
exactly
number 3 obi ya kwasidie ento no ti wono enye se ono why na adwen se Obeka wo madam dey short in it later Obeka say na no kwade no my
but we say by class we say be
say enya de ebeku obi nko ane de
enko ma onya ne ntwema na den
oh they because
it's a kind
how be a class no be the step for some few minutes but
she say the better to the nkura madam there so
I'm sure say omo the better to the madam there so it already
teacher Rebecca say
what is wrong with you
no upon several thinking of it no we analyze and teacher say make sure but we're saving we're saving hundreds of students now so yeah fan go baby do tadi make sure all this one na no sana adwi ni ogobe no
e come do wa ho na wasa akọbe in pantry aka ho boni ben
osa ti window ano
nti no hu ni ekoso and we who say nchini ye di bi agum na who say bi agum
na who de ade kogu de nchini kogu aduane a ye nu ma onim say enye wo nko ana wo nua nti ukwa won kan hwe
won kan hwe na umusa e bi anada no e fast
ene de esi da
na e bi ana ho omu dos no mu wo ho nti no onim say we ye nti we betumi aye we at any time wanya de so we mbisa na wan kan hwe so ko ya hadwin
insa me be obehwe mkrapo no ono ene adu aduane be si so na de original be go for first
because ye ni ho ni ye hu ye
nti ono onim so de adine si so de nti ba be no inse obi afa de gu ni
I know this is cement na ho mama say me
madam
there's something in already a fake glass on and then you say Adriania na uwa high school say yeah won miss dining no and na see be phone lines na friend na ka che ni enti and then story bi wo ho na waka and then high school corner ho na ye dey wa afa na before they come in no anti adria no they no see na we day student ho enti na yes na me hu ni am fa enti wan ko dining bia but sometimes day students for
sometimes students from
to me
omudi pa ebu okra omukọje aduane no mo de aba obu wo ho a ompe but onimobi a ope enti obekọ akọje no de aba aduane a mekai said those times ye ho ne de na omani je ho pa omo so mo frɛ no gas stew omo se frɛ no gas stew na ye keka ne de so one time na Mrs. gas you ye omo ke me person me nkan hwe po me de me person me hu said ye tie sister
inquire for you
and I say wey
life soup in fa no ho
wey who can wey
but that was their go to like
sister oh can we one kasa
and that gas you know nobody misses dining
delicacy
say light soup say then no more de some flour
okay
afra na aye cake they have a way of do na enino et say brown
I know for you I know in quite
I pop ba Canadiana
any brown na me de me hu a na me ho ye me some star bi me de obu winya yanka obeji na we body me tia no I can't eat
fish ya fish ni bi egum a gas you ya fish ni bi egum and I feel in quite for you know
no ice
I say fish na dem no I say and one papa bi sa and one
fish dey for money
ai o to me di by your cry enti gas you ne de no mo ani je ho pa
e tu so wan kan hwe
there be
wo me say
there be because
sorry but me who secondary school di bibra
so de odi bia no we school na ba
Psycho secondary school na di bibra
oh nah
I'm not say na ye wo edin bi ade tutu nduane a odwen wa wanhwe ne aduane round di ne aduane be fe na ateche na we ateche me aduane ko o gesi
ateche
da bi o
ateche
aduane fe na ateche
wachi anade
Davi
ateche
plain rice and in cotton coin
hey I see
na
but I describe it no fine so
na yes yati emone ma na in coin okay pantry bowls sa 5 chairs na dia no e kuku ne dia besi ho mienu emono wo ba kum na in coin so ba kum
that's right
na lad na wo beba no unya right down you right down but kraba for fast be ko no bi kita kwantaro de bon se pa che se onya aka se ne otimi point wo na mere wo Say obesi siu.
Ai.
No tie dia ne sa, no dey twi ade no mo say na. Oh, that I go let you. Enti ya tie aduane no ye na ade.
Usually omo che na ye omo oh, mo ma pa mo ma meka na so na ma hu so.
Apa no be. Say amo no guo, amo ya tie amo no wie. Na ya san kwan no gu odi eso. Atache asem na meka yo. Mo say na nkwan no gu amo no so no. Na nkwan na papai. Oh, say na atache wo baby a. Baby a bosa na papai.
Woni ma de ne papa.
Sister, na papai che say. But me
na me favorite no.
Me so naturally amoni nkatin kwan me pe.
Yeah.
Na me fitna what describing no sa pe. Em say no mu dey sam kakra wo no.
E say
ya.
Me papai
na just say tia ahead ya hembre na wo ye ne kakra na wo na ne de no.
Sa school kitchen caterers ne de ese ye ko hwe baby a wo recipes no baby wo use wo nya free because
atache asem making na apapai no be hwe one corner of bowl no rice na esibi so
na when them say nkwan na nkasa na esi ho no eni no na aye fix o asie no e na ye saso aye sheda enumo
enti uti anye ye na okonya
na okotu ase o na ye sua ma o
da e oduane bi so ankofo badani ba two bowls no and a plate ya hye si ona wo plate no say from the person who save it na dem say wo be chepa wa bi abedru su kra na asan
oh na omo ya che etiquette I was say working from outside in omo working from inside
school the etiquette na nya adwuma
na boss ya hye na obi on mo ogina ho no just wa ham na oba no ne squad na otimi tie bia no te wa ha mo wa jumping balls be 3 no da ko good different one mo
the squad like almost 7 I na ye den udu first and now 7 me we fit say ne ye
I think say seniors na say
your table heads no more point
yeah no say senior betna wa na juniors na ye complaining ye kwa seniors na juniors ni complaining say na omu seniors ba omu say seniors na ani ape baby
yeah ya mamu table
edu baby ni ye say table heads ye fa table head no so nim say why head no just a mafia because on the squad enti edu baby no na mo hwa na sa leadership we enfa enye adwuma enti wa wo be wura o first no na o falado na wache ne wo nduane bi won ma you don't mind
oh e no de
ne wo nduane ba ko so ponkonam usi ya masho ponkonam na ponkonam be kan
ediya o de be ka be de na so aka de kanam ko David
jollof
aha
jollof eni akoko eni friend ponkonam we
me jollof ni akoko ni friend no vulture jollof ni vulture aha usi hey
vulture
ni friend no vulture jollof ni akoko nam no ni friend nam no vulture sa intinem say baby ani ni die
na me say sa friend say no ponkonam no won Sunday enwumre na eho na nkofo kofia eyerade yesu obi timi kofia weekend na do Sunday na odrimi ka ba enwumre ni ba be kofia ba be school mu jolo yes na okotebu no wa sadandani ho
eho ayema
oh it's great to be young it's great to be young It's great to be young. Share.
The same was
because they are making bono.
It looks like
Sundays near jollof me.
Yesterday and Wednesdays ni Sundays. It looks like. Saturday no mo ye back wa omo associations near their ni so they know.
I've known him say aduane ya ye we. Is am tena kwa say minimum ya me na me man to shito dan de questions e be aye mami e be ya na ye no enam bu ma ya no shito
yeah entino DB enam de dem sa no
ai sa jollof no o ti shito ni bi guso a
che be ba shito no na ebi no mu a ebi wo mu wo mienu ni e hihye pa
ye de mako ye de makwa ye ba ko ma
mako dani
ai
ani e di aye na obako e find ti wo dvd e say no one container onim se na enti wo be busa na no wa
e ko na be bi mu
enti trese edru ho a saa da no yeko dani ho o de shitoko a o ye na obi ba jibi because obi a person enum ye ne de na ade ba ko opon na no se ye be pie no na obi ni obi enya asem
ade obi afọ bi da ma na
isisi ekoso ye be pie no table bia
obi enya asem
enya issue akoso trese because ye bia na nkofo pepa ni esa so dokno na dokno no nipa no ayan nkofo ntan ba ntono hwe no mo muti table no ho a na oyi emse na wo mutu o no asesa de ope mo amaka no nche no we pia ene
oh
hey high school easy. I mean, but it's a joy to go through that, because like we said the other time, you're forming your character, baby. What you're building, your mindset about life. Do na ho na ye shia na mfufu so ho. You know, so open ya damfo bi one wo be bo na oye krife a wo be krife and I say wa sha wo be sha ye ho. Because we no university na
Abena
you dey Sompa na this in fact that many I don't know, okay, someone will name this is the best social entertainment, program in the city. No, me decided to make because me can't actually. Me can't manfo. So this is the best because
Friday cramp no, the way I started and I many idea. Friday cramp no, apart from Jamano, you be shame any stories Toli be shame Toli. The baby room.
And you do what Toli on your radio. Friday freestyle. One freestyle.
No normal friend is saying. Nipaneka story na. Ebi majority omo kan say obrofum. They have a radio. Radio.
Hey, auntie Edubia.
Edio, see na me.
Nina, because I'm say from Monday is a serious day.
Oh yeah. So that Monday they buy ja.
Oh abrabwe na Monday dey aya grow the answer be run it throughout the week. One is serious and na umo bi so kan asem na say eboto a one share be run you throughout the. And Monday dey chest out day. So to me carry something positive, something strong, something serious throughout the week. And to frosa be do Friday na stress release day. We release stress. So Sompa delight there. You be ma nyame asem. You be ma wasre. You be sua ade. You be informed, you be educated. And I feel you be sense we nya energy.
Yeah. Say eja energy nkomo. Addition wo.
Sa pepe. And the Sompa delight there. The only and the best entertainment talk show.
Thank you.
In the city of Accra.
Thank you.
Clack it.
Yeah.
Hey,
yes. Let's put aside Sompa. You high age, man. That is the truth. Sometimes if you want to go back, if you want to analyze the module of the program, you realize that no. It was a program na Kasano. And you said that she should be beating you. Divine inspired initiative.
Preach it.
Oh, I mean,
OD.
And then you go a quemu. Yakupo say throughout this program, you know. Or chromophobia, as I said, what you touch your mood, and only and the only, I repeat, the only and the best entertainment talk show in the city of Accra.
And Oh
yes. Tiedini kra.
Me ba try to be producer so now 10 and no. I OD for Jeremiah. I say chilling kan for no but we dey be kan for.
We dey man be do baby an actress what me a wine me ni. Ha. E do baby an wine me ni na.
Anyway, it's no a freestyle. A freestyle. Mu nua no ma keke wi. In fact, I was say mu di obi a de ba. But say me Patrick de, Apam de, Jilan de, Augustine de. Which Miss Mice, dear?
We dear, me na no obepa go bepa we.
Oh, they
Wait.
Last week na yeah throwback. Ade waka bia.
We obepe go bepa we.
Another highly patronized
Gobe.
Oh yeah. No say yeah no friend no you know beans ni doch.
Yeah.
Na unim. Kokko no special bio. Ase si chebi omo man enye din o soft bi sa no. Na emu dedede nige di gu any beans ni kose. Me came my picture.
Adoko.
Me came my picture. Hey, and some go school.
I think say no dia no me say me anko bi ba ya me hu. Omo de ba me hu. Omo mix it enwo kokko ni beans ne efra dada.
Afra ko ai sister unim ade no. Unim. Oh, yeah ma due to unim. Ampa enwo na ye egusu dada.
Na you okay na so na ni nice.
Omo mix up and say buy ani esa gari na gum na me say obi to me the gari ya ne de ne say eh banku din.
I don't know be dia
So
me am
say gari na de ma wo. If Danny ho no uchu mutan enya o gari a open no enso because ya na kakra bi am wo che to no bi ba no wase
any aboche
wase gari go robin no de opa se ko menya picture bi
yeah one kai
o tue gari guma ma fi nguni na
yira
na beans aye
say no esa uji wi a wunu nsu origin su no mu ti ogoso
no so ba ko tena class ada yes ya ko bi ko read ko tena class order ka onipa osisi no ti so bi na woda dokun bebe ba ji o better class
and it is not prep because usually I had lunch no na mako siesta answer enyumre no one sign say evening meetings bi go ha mako na prep enti nche say prep na ne wo ko yes
but senior high school so like regulated lifestyle because life no you're planning about
but that's good
but it was
good
you're planning that was training.
Yeah, like
you're planning your life. You know, when you wake up, you can't decide when to wake up, when to go for a journey, when to go for adisia. Nina, yasasa ma. Hey, a drum pie boy, upe, obeko. She say, oh no, but do na. Edi so obu ho a ompe ne ho asem nti ene on fili kura na obekọ just to avoid trouble nti secondary school ni senior high school ya kasade
me de obisa me a
na me hekai eyimpabwe ye hyehyɛ omu
brown na
oh, you realize that or no really?
Niana madam Chevy last time, no. Oh no, not the last week they had to
catch madam.
Madam Chevy no.
They na madam Chevy no. Next show be no wa jo check ye first year the okwa check na obehye. Ansa na me say nyame adoma next week Friday me high school picture ni bi be bad. Ye uniform ne de me so star. Na ya mobo
ya pa mu zro
Messi na almost start here no mo straight dress like dress or belt bosso to send you obia epam no ene yesi ebi mu na school no ne pam maye ye wo school seamstress a obesu ai na oma ko pamaba na ebi mu ba omo de ba ene yesi no ene ebe sei na ehyew
Bola. I said, bro, I'm trousers ni biara.
Aye. Emma ntichu pa na emma no dress no. Ene na ehye we say ya na pocket aka ebu ha straight dress no. Na da na 3 quarters esiwu na o 9 ni finfin.
Sister goes.
Aye. Na ebi mo say omunya do second year.
Na oma baso.
Na oma sha say baso no. Na yakoto material no say material so wo market. Yakoto material na apam. Me see wo hu obi uniform a. And I'm saying you straight dress in a crown, ye young mamma say, Mubasha slit in a caba. Oh, 88 choir no, near uniform near slit in a caba.
Okay.
Long skirts, khaki long skirts. any blue, any apple.
And yes, Sunday, weekday,
Monday to Friday.
Now we shall slate ne
kaba. Slate ne kaba. Wow. Slate ne kaba. But no crampo no. Na omo pie side.
Okay.
So no so almost omo be ball life was slate ne kaba ni mu. Enti ya taki no na ya ye design e we chire. Hey, pray.
What him say? Yeah, school na yeah uniform no. Yeah, wo belt a bom na belt no. Enkofu twitwa conflicts adaka. Near dia shem na stiff.
Stiff.
Sister.
E bosso sa.
Sa.
She.
Na udi mia weyem na ma omu ache mienu fine. Nti conflicts adaka no ye twitwi so say ya na ye twa. Near the Hashem to be a belt, not conflicts.
Adaka Shem.
Hey, come here, and I'm yours. Gonna be a chapel prefect.
Yes, sir.
Now, third year now. Mr. Nami class now, so. Now, man, uniform shop. I'm release belt, and I'm the two on two as. No matter. And yes, some more, sir. I'm bushing no more. Indeed, it do be a class or yes, announcement. Me just and I me am cousin. Me am cousin on any TV. You who say why? I'm say hey, stand there, stay where you are. No, you go for go. Me see for my better nature. Release belt. Me and me bomb. Shire ya pam. Shire belt no. Yeah, I'm trying to say, do you know the essence of belt? I say no. Me say belt. Ya pam atanya nkopo man nkofo nimdie. So mo fan pam atare. The ball belt na we young lady uni na mba so mo shape so sa na nyankopɔ ayɛ into ball belt na e boa na unse me mia me so shape no abakama next time me release me am cousin no me ja na kwan e na ko e enti me fro ko soro am use nkɔfo me no bi so ba my say na obi mom hint say eh akwa no osoro obedi abet me na baby na me kwa me say e mba na me show me na obi
Money professor na mo ha no na o na any Jesus
no me ha me apart from asori oniema you no see me anywhere again na me but the eternal say baby ade ni da no
yes what they to
oh of course who here
no be as president kratin be free chabu see us na e3 obe free decision bi on my here na cospie the man make sure say aye
wow so we see much I happy so until neno I can't wait to hear what listeners have to say. Hey,
and then there more time.
More. In some hop I enjoy Jamaica cry na fe ya
more time for our
over to me Etienne Boafoasie, Lexter Company Limited, producers of Yas toothpaste, any Yas toothbrush. Also for hygienic, healthy living, always choose Yas toothpaste. Bra, all the Yas toothpaste you choose here now. Pesemi. Brother, producer one. Now one people say yeah, that Boafoasie, yeah, that Yas toothpaste, the Yas toothbrush for us.
And I over you,
obey your day. Ow. Won't to me, yes, rich, mano. Won't to me,
Toby, Bisana Manaka, say, Darby. I say, bra, sister, who, papa.
And I'm Mr. Own person who may who are body, Nasha, Yas toothpaste, and the Yas toothbrush. Actually, quite not fake she was singing, says rich. My favorite word. NT Accra. Show more. Number is 050-161-9588. 050-161-9588. Ena Kumasi so uhia omwa. 050-139-0338. 050-139-0338. Yeda omwa se papa. Na enra meka say we Jama group na say we are interested in coming to ye ha, and you should be interested in coming because so papa Michelle line when I'll be for your client service number 0531 886 216 0531 886 216 but modern friend I found brush studio ha because yenye bia omo ba che say omo ye krado ye be home enche samre ni ye be pese ye be kwa akotwa ye ho ne aba producer enti ye ba osi ye de ka chem na binti ye be shija man no che say ye be tie ene asa be ko so studio ha enye easy
serious enti uti yanka bra Facebook
Sompa
106.5 FM Accra. Bra Facebook, join Facebook ni sesia.
Na bra be hwe ho na obehu asa. Obehu jama asa papa no we hwe bia ka de no because the people who hire almost how muti o makunyem de bia meka. Oti akonye ni mo be sasa sorry ana asa na ya. Oh sorry ana intipatwa o mpesa obesa bobo de abra Facebook na bra na be share asa na wan kasa chiche styles ni bi na fa koye wade enti asa etimi tie nyum sai sasa na ya store enyum ni bi na uti ho later da na release ni de sa na ringi wo uti no stop enyum as ruminants not you're ruminating
yes that's why na be hwe nka so mu say yes
anyway, it's for you try ho aba ye ba ye di hye men ko baby ya
Siatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne siatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na eno na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magye ne wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enyasem ketewa wo mu je international awards ahodo wo mu je local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a je 21st clinic nko wo mu je bibidro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so e ho na wo behu ye 0540311311 0540311311 na 21st clinic still woman ye sciatica expert
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese we de na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de entie fe ne local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes apro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se ehya abontine aduane edi yenye ne bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese aye ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no wo mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se momfra Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyi Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 02463599921 02463599921 anasa 059479721 eye 059479721 na wodem
medo edra no pa wutimi to wo boase etwitwi wusi o ado
na so ni se me de yas toothpaste and the brush and the twitwi mesima minya homka
Sentina ya bokoi. Na me dear me all-time favorite. Yas herbal toothpaste and then the brush. Abua me ama say me no muso a nyunu anasa de share. Me self me biem.
Na won hwasa me si aye fita sesrechi ahoma. Na et brightens. Yas whitening toothpaste and then the brush. And me di hwimese.
Enti na wo se afei. Na Yas total care gel toothpaste and then the brush ni de. Ebo wo se ho ban. Demu ni nyina. Ema wo no mu ye sham.
Oh yes. Enukratrodo. Yas herbal. Yas whitening. And Yas total care gel toothpaste. And then the brush. Abusian chamfa.
Se wo pedudu tu e won kran ha. For Leicester Ghana Limited. And was 050-161-9588. Leicester Ghana Limited. And the Yas toothpaste mo ahodo. And the brush abedwa so abeboa.
Tontonte. Yanum nsane e fadwen.
Ne fadwen mpa. Say na nim se brebi beba. Ama tontina 74. Opa ye ne simple. T74 abeye adru.
Tontina 74 ana T74 asa twe yadwene esina nanom dodo so. Se de na dodo bua ma nanom enyare basabasa no sa na tontina 74 ana T74 ebo nipadua no.
Ema immune support enti obi onum bie no abrebia ne ho den.
Tontina 74 yinso yaye no se nsuo krokrowa kama enti ba bia wonam bia obetimi de wade akọ.
Samene wa ankefi na ekroyi eda no nko na wie ye wa bra mennom T74.
Se mennom tontina 74 menya hodin mennom ne dabia.
T74 yi eye hahama ene ye de aye na DHC ena aframa na ye kama sa no. T74 ahoden ni apomuden ko a.
Woko pharmacy ana ba bia to no bia ubenya tontina 74 yi biato.
T74 yi enye ma oba wa fafuro ana obi a o manufo ana se obi a onya mfie dumienu.
Etu phone 050-162-8931 and 0246-073-498. FDA agi edwedien kratwe atum.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was Sompa First Service. I was Sompa TV, ne Sompa Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyankopon di fa wastra no eweye brim. Enam ne nsaso ama onyankopon we ya honwade pi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We ne butai to us Sompa First Service. Ewo homayen enye TV program keke. Eyebra osro ne asasi hia. Eyebro onyankopon kasa chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
Sompa First Service entwa wo hu hoda. Eyadwada kusi efiada anopa. Anopa no num kusi anopa no nsie. Fa woda no nyina share radensa. Na erade beye.
Oh, ano kwa sa jamedo. Sa emusem ne hama ede. E wasa me kaka ho. Monya live by live. We nyi scan ye jiji asa ne yesa. Nyami di hini ampo. Na anyebia wote drum no tun 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 I believe God will do something new in your life. Me say nephew mo waninje wate mo waninje. Nyankropo be ya de fufro abrabo mo wate. Wote yenka ewo Sompa delight to idie. Ade fufro ba wakache. Asa obi ye ba de na enum na kiki wasa na yo no wakem kai. Yeah, me feel it drums no. Gome. Senyankropo humi wo mu afana sida ma no wate. Enunti ye be guidelines ne gumun 10. Ama wuso aba. Now there in fact nyoma miensa na obeye. Say where da ye board during the week no okay obetumi abo. Say nye nunti na ofre ya o no problem because no me ma bando. Two person join here freedom of association in this case. Na face so aduane a na wo pepa wo secondary school a che say aduane no wo kofie kura wo betre mika but then na producer kan wo kofie kura wo betre mika ba no etumi aba enjoy bi no wo be mention say aduane no and our face so say enyum tuo say then anything you want to say about Jama please ye be phone lines na bra na be ka share enti no the number to call is 0260 196064 0260 196064 and 0260 196065 enti me pesa wo do favorite dish no ubeka na ka che yes a story bi wo ho a okay offer for bi aba.
Hello Sompa
wecha Edi no ni baby outfit. Hey, me sweetheart. It's saying my superstar. Aha.
Maybe my papa will first. Your friend is temple.
Do they do. I will do. Hey, Papa. What did you do first? Anne.
And then the mouth Sompa.
A market yapo.
Okay. That's all. And then the person me forward.
O person about word. Oh, okay.
Patwane.
Yeah, any pacho fatu oni unko.
Pacho mellifluous. Aha, yes, any say. Pacho, it describes a sound that is sweet, smooth and pleasant to hear. Often described as honey flowing. Often described as honey flowing.
Okay.
For example, Auntie Abena Ruthy. That's a mellifluous voice.
Thank you. I know you can't thank you.
Okay.
Why are there? Now, Martha, you know you also have a mellifluous voice. Because the last time I hear back to Sompa delight, you said I would too no me feel it. And I'm so me superstar no. And you also have a mellifluous voice. You're welcome, darling. Yeah, that's okay. Our friend.
Yo.
Producer. Where am for you so?
I'm for you.
Oh, I'm for you.
Say na se omo yu so a. Ejuma hunu ne ya.
Exactly.
Now tell me you say the impact is going on.
Because I think this week Martha was on the ball parkritudinos. In the course of the week.
Oh, you so. I think now where ready as me to some.
Ade
lights.
And now more.
Dabi. Why as man was na me.
No.
That's I did not.
And I said to be a BTO. Eh,
so
they be now intimidated.
So from it,
and wouldn't hono. Now, fair, why free? So, to me, I
penny. Who's a name bad with you from Boko? Sompa.
Ade. I don't know. And in your some no so yeah, Chanyo said, Diani Bia. Ah, Martha was a cardi with Diani to
Yes, I got it to
Diania. Now, one person be Messi or high school. It was so to me by my NET. Now, a whole story will hobia no Fabra. Now, Ube senior. Okay, offer Fabra. Hello.
But don't be man boarding no because they need
we got Edino, baby.
Okay, bye.
Yo, me that's it. Hello. Yes, sir. Me mo kwaba. Me pa cho say. Oh, okay, for Isaac, ye mo kwaba.
Yeah.
Aha. Enti yenkwe. Eye word now bebo. Ana say high school aduane bia na won pese obe mesi kra. Of Isaac, I don't just say line ni mu aye you. Obeto nyom. Okay. Bato manenko.
Being transferred.
Antonio Jamamai.
Na me pese ka woto no jama feel no ohun woto no jama feel no na ye boa wo studio ha na I mean when they say I assured there
what all the
yanko
Obika
Ade Why Nina, yeah, that's it. All right. Hello. I am so. Hey, do Papa. Did you hear Martha saying that
how
today?
How are you, baby? How are you now?
Yeah. It's all for you, Papa. Me Papa trying to say do.
Yeah, are you getting the issue clear here? Let me tell you that I went to school far away in Moronga, and I was somewhere 65.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
So what you are doing today at your office there, I'm not part of it, but I just want you to know that I'll call you and so thank you to all of you there, and I wish you well.
Oh, but you are part of it. Because as long as you stepped foot into a classroom, you are part of this. You understand?
Right.
And I love the fact that you had an experience outside Ghana until we know international students, Kra. And you should tell us some of the experiences, out there. Because the movie will have Ghana Haniako school.
You know something?
Tell us.
Hello,
I'm with you.
Yeah, I remember some couple. It's about 50 years and over. You understand?
Mm-hmm.
And I was a very bad boy. Let me put the truth up. Very bad boy.
Hey, international dancer.
That's it. When I'm going to school, I know I have a case there. I will put 5 shirts on and 4 later on.
Wow.
Because I know.
Mesako. Oh, yeah. Me feeling them no now no. Wow, Auntie Davis, yeah, that's it. Oh, Auntie Baby, oh, sparking me sano.
Let him say I'm out for quite not just say.
Oh, my enemy. Hello. Aish. Wecha. Delight. Yeah, boy, Papa. We got your Edin on the baby out Fefi.
But you only have them, Papa, just one day.
Hey, just one day. Right. Yeah, more Papa. Aha.
Oh, yeah. And let them influence the program. No graphic, no penya. The program no.
Yeah.
Instead they are chatting them into me and see cry.
Yeah. Sa. Na minim say wo school story because I can tell na ekoso. Ye ka enuane a na ye di wo school a che say ye mpese e be miss dining hall because of side aduane no obi a won special one bi. Meme de na ye nkatenkwan na ye mo no. Na say ye di be si ho say ya me miss Aye, into Obia one idea, and no, and an I can't was them.
Let us at the Babua, the whole school, I'm GSF, no. Something I'm a party where you school, but at the Babon is me to me uncle SS. But Mama and we see me quite say or say me.
Wow.
Wow. Secondary school them into me uncle.
Wow.
And that time we school now me lady Jamano.
Aha.
That me lady Jamano.
Because I never see here to Jama.
Before I very lazy me Jaman you know me prepare. This week me share where the back will be.
Okay. Mellifluous.
Okay.
Okay, ni meaning no.
Ni meaning no say bibia no o from quiet.
Yeah.
You now you no special. Like then I will thing. You know any how you hold the program. You hold it mellifluous.
It's me a mellifluous oh. My voice near mellifluous.
Oh voice
voice near mellifluous.
This week is going to be about
fastidious. Wow.
Yes,
Wow.
This week is fastidious. They may use super.
Oh, that's good. I know not say fastidious. Now I say say.
Was come to like say fastidious in preparation and now your preparation. There be in time. In time.
Okay. So I'm in February. Good.
Yes.
Into me the big count, but I know I don't know quite now our fast no. Into we pay attention to details. So you're meticulous. Just say prim and proper bibiano which is shene penny ade and no na we fastidious na say na fast sha say no wan hwe ya e de wadwene be kosa ntentem but enye ntentem sa inti no we no pepe ene e wo table a no wa hyehye say ayi na ade na wo pam a wa ye no pepe say carpentry work na wo ya wa ye che so obi hu work ye obi hu say obi o ye fastidious ene ye ejuma we inti bibisa wa ya de just one day and I met our bundle.
I can't be Yaman.
Eh, Bebaso, but me person who say word now about 2 nunti no mecha bundle. And see a befa number. Now say Fajamani Shisha Uncle. Hello. Oh.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Hey, delight. Me fache dini ni baby our free.
If I change them Grace, because I feel my summer.
Oh, Grace. It's the same.
If I shop or
Good. Nyami adum. Ugusu show will give tonight. They ma wanna fine.
That's right.
Sa. Yeah, more kwaba. Enti then and now person yeah.
If I try me again, and I make up with cats too. Now my side after again, and I'm a pepper with you.
Oh, nice. Okay, Manenko.
If I saw lady kind,
Circumlocution.
If I try.
Okay, why are they not saying anything?
If I try to say, yeah. I said, no, minister is case of it, but now we'll be around the bush.
Beat about the bush. She said, oh, now, wine, sir. Some no to wine. Okay, that's great. Into next one, day.
But next one, Israel.
Kabium. Oh, ethereal. I'm not word, no. Okay. Mantini ye ethereal, right?
Okay.
Sana okay.
Okay, me ba cho eno si e ade a dance e wo nipa ho. Say bia mako program bi but o share say de obi asade e o share no we jina mu the whole program no any nipa na asade ni e strong for and now for send a hairstyle. Yeah.
Okay. I say be angelic. Like and one hour can dance like who feel say hey I deal with there it's a heavenly something like out of the world. And it's sa ethereal you why I feel high school assembly so to
if I saw high school then again me pepper I buy any consumer. Hey, you can be a make sure that you know the fact you make. When I make sure that I know that extra exam. If it's science, no other courses, none of the mobile show with GNC. I can't say that science today of what paper. Maybe I do not like and I say literature for money. Everyone is I want to bet you that no more degree. It's that time they may have me honey dining, but aside that time again. It makes it dining.
Wow. Yeah. Wow. Yo, yeah, that's an pow. Oh, Facha Miss Humanity Coy. Bad bundle need my promise so yeah, the baby. Grace, also why dear I na omo school I no mo miss dining no. Ain't yes I no mo won ma bebre. This auntie no mo bad dining na day.
Enu won sem kakra ene say mama mo pe dining no me say na me kopa papa okay everybody e brand is chapu si was in the mama to dining mo ba ko fast na bom pa ma school no. All right, so there were minya experiences bia especially in Bema no on bad dining but
enya allowed though
no.
Okay.
The boss I know I call Daniel prefect in
no ni na hyehyɛ
anya so anya kwasre
oh
me wo betimi aba dining no omba na when you hu say so omo makose say ma pe no ma yo mu dada bi no so me kwa me ke dada bi na facial amo flex yo ma ko be na o girl ya o ko pe ni sa girl not Daniel odidi o
asabo
o girlfriend not Daniel odidi.
And I want to remember because of yeah, it's great to be young.
I can't remember combination one. I will be able to do. Usu ni bibi abakodi. Oh, na but bang. Also, my choma me garing kakra.
Can you imagine?
See an every day in aba.
We then now be beside dining.
You know.
Of your family and fun. Hello. Hello. I'm so went to me and you know so. Also bet to me a friend. My phone line seems to join me 0260 196064 0260 196065. I also friend that Beckham high school eduane na person obe mesi crowd or dining. Na fe said Jamano na bet to me share na we shi. I and I also said where that yeah during the week na bet to me aka na waka. Second locution let me say last week oh. And you're part of this week words. This week you're starting with pulchritudinous. And you're called discombobulated. Aha. Wabo. One here, ever born chain. Hello. Hello. Hey, delight. Yeah, mama. Nyame adom mama bacho swe.
Nyame adom. But me di mama tea, ya me di na mani ka wa mi wine.
Mate mama tea. Mama tea.
Me di ma ko essence so, me di me years 84.
Wow.
Na mama ka bin show.
Catcher.
Na the old school me lady.
Wow.
Na ma bo ankasa.
Eish. Autonomy obo di enche.
Because for me my deal, but I'm a sports lady for the school.
Ah, okay.
And your time no. But your time you the sports and then for your school so what you say.
Aha.
May sports am the whole Ghana.
That's right.
Papa.
Wow.
Now when I teach you because I want them so the education. And I miss so my bon and I need
oh.
And I teach a new boom or something man.
Oh. Kuse.
Obomi pa.
Wow.
And then I got a cry because sports and I miss me see. Me 2 years me 9 years. And I had me to me say honey teacher and also so that job I need.
Teacher no. Oh, because teacher now born athlete. Wow.
You say out to me, and I say your cost to find your winning na your diba. Jama ya share the begin as Jamano.
Wow.
And then them say Jamano on your wife.
Mate. My ready, no.
School no media going to your basa. Mumbo every say every say this is the whole school.
Wow.
I am the leader for sports.
Wow. That's amazing.
Yes, 24.
Hey, what skill, Newo? I want to know what skill, Newo. Yeah.
The whole school.
Wow.
From class 3 to form 4.
Wow.
Grow.
Say, Mama T. Say, Mama T. Me have fans. Say, Mama T. Say, Mama T. Okay.
And by this time, his stomach was small.
Wow.
Yeah, those time, no. Yeah, those sports are in Diago, Nami, the after. Oh, send me a train there on Puano.
Wow.
And I'm a coach in this so of Brani. And you almost teach me upon one.
Wow. That's tough training. Tough training. Wow. Mama T. Yeah, that's it. Bye. Wow, that's no mean an achievement, eh? I see 84. Hey! Obi wa dem ha na enwo no me boa. Chesa cheye. Wow. Mama T, yeah ma wo we ma me ma special Sompa delight shout out. Into Sompa delight. Congratulations to Mama T. And easy. Wow. Him say Mama T raise concern be na me jidi say was say ye pia so na I mean sisi apoye better those times not sports omun sheda nya recognition e wo so omun nya nka by now no nko ye kra you know national asset of course when you from the year now all bono but let's say omu time na recognition ni ho I think say Ekati across all the musicians so yakasa impanyufo ne ba ayo mukasa omu time na recognition ni ona they are there nti yeah they rather say at least now in for a beginning to you know recognize these things skill no you know apart from a book knowledge no skills we mu ne matter pa nti no I'm impressed and say academy no I no more day addition eka ho aha it is working well but you bought Mama T abaso wow
oh yeah dey answer na be because me win award me win award no e ba film so then I dey ma am share na me na dia competition am come na writing competition
okay
throughout the country
wow
na dia we win so me kai say time am present award na my na nipa na one of the people am dey so Odia call room bina. So my idea pa na radio munso mu my na what na a friend is saying those days best farmer on your cutlass. Na so na best farmer enya dan nya ka.
Sisi
obu no mabokwai no.
Obu no mabokwai no.
Asasem na ba mitre ba. Awards where nkofo bi start here nkofo ya. Sana ba say best farmer no. Onya se kan ni na so ene de omunya dan nya tractors nya cars nya nti mu na mabebo kwan na mo sa
na for a teacher to be beaten because on no time and was okoye ne sports no on tiapo if you say teacher ne bo ne de na che say
because one
you also you know so woman omo
yes lady be friend Salama to Musa obetu kurika kwapo magana
okay
on height na otrumika 100 meters o man crofo gaps utwa
100 meters
I am mom gap
hey
no say Salama to Musa obi oko
and you to send from
oh na St. Peter's member no no musuru
wow
no odremu ana say edu batona normally odu oko infifi ana so no di wie
okay say o do best na be share na che say wetumi atwe mu
nti ono no normally I know last omunya de manu meka ba ko bi lady en say wa wie because na gap wom
na Salama to be so mu ai asem frama
na I used to say
wow wow
enti me kai say time no o menim ba ko time onye wie school no
okay
amu ba be year na some few months on ba try final exams me kai say fire service for immigration that's security
na obia hwehwe no
so when he was in SS on wie na otru me kai intako ana say like region mu ana say call I work district ni man even school
okay
the manager na home I say raceway who winning with this minute e be am $100
wow
okojire mu so a
obekọ no krakrakra using both grandma
and manager so no can manager so bo no ye training race bi obekọ bi ode sika eto ho just reduce the timer
okay
ode
no, the Beman is pepe. I mean, it's good to get a.
And she came from a very humble and a poor home. After baby, no straight.
Sanity.
Was in SS.
Wow.
Yes. Into no na kwase no special way o. O ma see afani etu kwan. Ono class number.
Hey, I see. And see, I just said extra curricular activities. See, it was I encourage no more funny serious.
Yes,
because so better me now breakthrough from it.
Yes,
any story okay.
I said I mean we be at school no went to me anko ni but stars no ntina ene nyame ado
I left no ni on the corner no amazing. Yeah. Oh, anyway, I have some birthday dedications. There was something to me,
yeah, you have to.
There was something to me, birthday dedications. Aye. Okay. Auntie, me and my sister, papa, like a young kunya. The Aram Agbemava. Madam Aram Agbemava. Oko Facebook, I'll be who know. And I ordinary birthday and no me wishing a happy birthday. Yankopon Shana pa Aram and I have been friends. If I share our university first degree, I near
okay.
You know, after that now we're still in touch.
University are waiting me anyway young kwa bedru say correct say wa. Joshua, sir. And now I encourage you into where your masters now is to making sure that kind of thing. Into me, of impact.
Exactly.
Great.
Sir. Into Aram. Yamisha baby. I also open special news. I can't arrange with myself. I'm this over Mama. Into your happy birthday. Okay. Another birthday wish. Comfort Akosia Mela. Me hope you send him Maboni. Aha, Madam Comfort Akosia Mela. Na I feel who maybe if you reach bits my so mpacho me DJ papa. Aye, ade how na.
Auntie Connie o.
Hey, the Auntie Comfort Akosia Mela mpacho reach bits my see and wish you happy birthday mano aye. Or the Tony I saw ni dini so nti mebo aka o na ga me say rich bit my simple na mebo Tony
I'm say me who so baby say rich la baby anamwa
any me show you
I say me who baby
okay but obo den confirm me because ochna rich la there ochna or launch in a book no say Monday or ba be kan ho asem or launch e wa giga no ho no
it's true
and 4 p.m.
It's true
no yenko supporting or great things now him say Lillian negotiates and go for your internet so my bufashi why pencil art akoma omo and it's so beautiful and I would admire share would admire share and why very excited about it and yeah, manamo with a pencil art. I draw, I not the amount, which is a great thing, free of charge, nature, or the agenda soundbite. Inti, before go share Lillian story now corner a rich la or won't be what when you stake one with the dada. I. Okay,
it'll be full for birthday no wishing.
No wishing no. Okay. Enti Auntie Connie, see Connie, and okay, sir, near can be BBC Connie and Dora. Now only me can't wait no Makaya Sembi. Me said Nana a rhyme be bammy team. Sir 246. I wriggle and Miampa, I didn't me name the correct time in personable. But me jump in 2 lines, Marco. If you say 1, you are out. But if you say 2, you are in. Okay, Yanko. So 2,
4,
6,
8,
10,
12,
14,
16,
18,
20,
22,
24,
26,
28,
30,
32.
Hey, wasted time kakra pe we out. There be one no pull kakra. You be sha
me ya ka man no man fe. Man no ka me ya ka. Nti me ya fast na me yi. Ano let me free me say na pa me kan.
You can only get this on Sompa.
Yeah.
Delight. One from Kakra. I was saying, and then you and so there was a call the side to young Kobium.
Okay.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, Inti. If you say 1, you are out. But if you say 2, you are in. So 2,
4,
6,
8,
10,
12,
14,
16,
18,
20,
22,
24,
26,
28,
30,
32,
34,
36,
38,
34.
whole thing now a building we were nikki to be beti.
Yeah.
And that's how they building your cognitive no I intia boy. Yeah, we fear your man ko ani ni sa agro ni bi na omu yi omu ni fi computer ne so kakra. Any phones no. Now omu ni sa agro ne kakra. Exactly. Say me who say Sompa Rhapsody I no mu train ya adwene ne ade ekoyi. Ya shisha adwene no sa. Enti agro we nim say no increase wadwene no senia emu bie no aha na wani si phone no sa de ane na
sheda na mawini yo
sheda be
sheda na mawini ni
anyway enti wrap up Anissa but it's been a good week
yeah sure
and it's 4 weeks of Sompa Delight, right? I'm up for your birthday. 106.5. Hey, producer, where the amfa? Where the amfa? Okay, would me anchor settle for Sompa Delight, no? Send our bona air fan, would you gina?
So we know, my ears are no. So part like me I raise uncle Kwoma as a meba. It's a move better. My premium over Kwama better me count the moon better. So we do some agro pension. I know, right? Yeah. Because when you take out the obesity is out, meticulous,
once a mamma, we are fastidious.
Miss Shada and a said up.
We'll be able now. What she said, Aye, intimisro, Simbra, come back.
That is be careful.
And the Duchess is Rwanda. And that for say, I mean, almost so you festival. It's been amazing. We do this with them. And they are always there, almost free. Near Dema, you who say we are making impact. And you're dead here for us. You're dead here for us. Now, you're management, so I see. Say akonya ne bae no omu tun safre ye ne bae no ai ye da obi bia se na anti akosia ago abwaj madam communication ade watcho ko ba beke bi
kiuma
yeah that I say na me super amazing team, you've been awesome. Producer 1 international
so man ba ko
and I do this job crowd, send information. Now I'm saying, that's Ramete. I'm a nice rider. And I mean, once I see it, I will respond. Oh, me. I need a bomb pie. A bomb pie. Oh, yeah.
More fire.
More fire. Now you're more fire, baby.
More fire.
Enti no nyami show oh boy juma papa na fe yes sleek lady. Hey, Conconsahima, Anna.
Executive Conconsahima, executive.
Executive. Ampa. Obajwa, Edubia, Auntie Edubia. I have a friend, Auntie Edubia. Aye. Yeah, Danasi. Or the stories ni be mu ye. Aye.
Carefully selected.
Thank you. Obasu swan why you know analyze ya dear no.
Hey, she wa me o. AK Esquire.
Oh, in the making, Anna. Sharp. Any near the team so, Radi Wasuma, team so. Thank you so much, my amazing team. Nafe, your internet squad. Oh, your internet squad. Lady Joanne, and a Saint Augustine. Yami Shamu, baby. You're doing a great job. I mean, videos neighbor, voices neighbor, BBA, fine. Nafe, DJ1
international.
Hey, DJ1
international DJ.
I say DJ1
international DJ.
Rich Bitmines. See, I turn in Abeka home.
Mami tunase.
Thank you. Twaso.
Your friend, Anthony. Kwesi. Anan.
Ko.
Rich. Bitmines.
Aish. Edina ko bukechi. And I'm person people know.
Edino, we kura po kakra na mabo ebisa o.
Hey,
ebisa o. Upese o abbreviate ni kura enkom.
DJ Ubuejuba, yeah, that's it. I mean, the entire team has been wonderful. And now the family of Sompa FM Accra at large. You've been amazing, and I am so glad that I'm here. And in the Yamin show, Bibia, I hear up here, pa, Nisa, Friday.
Unim the oba emi de pa. Frobi no be soon Frobi no be Frobi.
I no can say Abena Ruthy. It was Sompa FM. Aye.
Frobi no be Frobi no be soon Frobi. No be soon Frobi.
Aye, it's wood here. Won't quaint you Frobi. No be Frobi, no be soon Frobi, no be soon Frobi. No can share the say. Sompa delight. I shall say, aye. Enti yeda ebusia ko ni nyina ase. Yeda ebusia ko ni nyina ase. Tembia me sorry ayaye nim. Nia oba Professor 1. Yeah. Professor Abochi Papa. Yes. Now the dear neighbor for God and country. Every so I can me see no ni nyina frequency be wom. Nti aka yi Rhapsody dia me kwakosia. Enti for yedamase enjoy your weekend. God bless you so much. Nyame adoma man